Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1987 El Camino Survivor. Every bit of this car is original. A couple add-ons on it, like the Halibran wheels, Grant steering wheel. Added some larger sway bars. We do have the original wheels that come with it. Look at this bed. Incredible. Super straight, gorgeous body. Still smells like new in here. Power windows, power locks, cruise control, air conditioning, tilt. As it was. Beautiful. Should be an example for restoration. $19,385 original miles. That is pretty amazing. Does not get any nicer. Always garage kept. These headliners kind of let loose always. Beautiful. Be careful of this too, that kind of breaks sometimes. Black paint does not lie. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website too. WeebyAutos.com. Thanks a lot.